Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Wednesday, the 10th of January. This is our daily recap and midweek update, and quite the interesting day here today. You look at what's going on here. We've been stuck. We were up pre-market. We dropped down. We popped. We went sideways for hours before we finally broke out, put in a high of 477.45 before coming off here with about 15 minutes left in the day. You can see here the market now getting back almost to the 52-week high. Remember the SPY, the all-time high is up here at the 480 area, 499.98 if I remember correctly. I'm sorry, 478.98 if I remember correctly. Volume today has been pathetically low. We've come up lately in the last couple hours on it, but you can see here volume was absolutely pathetic until right in here. This bond auction here, we got volume, we pushed up, and now we come in. Now, tomorrow we do have CPI. CPI at 8:30, we're expecting a print of 0.2% versus 0.1% last month, meaning that inflation has increased. So we'll see how that proves. Bitcoin out now. SEC approved spot coin BTFs being announced here right now. As we're speaking here live, this news has been well known and well forecast, and it's believed they're approving 8 of them here for this trading starting tomorrow. All right, so what else we have going on? So that's the SPY. The Qs themselves will come up here. The Qs have been leading this rally back up. Right, up, fill this gap. That gap's down, gone now. Can we get back to the 52-week high here at 413? For me today, we talked pre-market in my pre-market video when I came live into the room at 9 o'clock. We talked about 3 names specifically. We said Meta, Meta because of cost gets a little funky later in the day. Meta because of that price target increase. I traded that twice today. Huge winner for most of us in the room today. Amazon was another one we talked about. That had a nice move. And Microsoft was the third one. And that one almost hit the all-time high, missing it by just a couple cents here, literally at this point. Nice moves all around. NVIDIA managed to put a new all-time high in again today. That's 5 up days in a row. This thing doesn't want to quit. AMD finally had a down day. And the rest of the market was pretty quiet. The banks start reporting on Friday morning, kicking off earnings season. They held in, didn't do much. Energy remains overall weak and getting beaten up as crude is down. Bonds continue to be weak. And overall, not a heck of a lot going on in this market. So tomorrow we get our inflation number. We'll see what CPI brings us, and we'll go from there. And then we'll see what earnings bring us. And maybe this market gets some volume, wakes up. So if you want to join us, we'd love to have you. You can come in, you can join us here. My 2024 Outlook's available. You guys should get it. Last year was a great year. Another, 45 pages of a lot of information and names that I can think can outperform the market and how I predict the market's going to trade this year. It's only 99 bucks. If you want to join us in the room, get this for free and save a bunch of money, $300 for the first 3 months. SmartOptionTrading.com, link in the description below. Everybody have a fabulous night. Catch you guys in the morning. Members, opening the room early tomorrow morning.